Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. Our good friend Joseph is here rerouting all of our plumbing in the bathroom. We thought since he's already here, it's a good idea to replace our 20-year-old water heater. Before they get started, I'm going to remove our washer and dryer so they have some room to work. They're starting with removing the old water heater and draining all of the water out into the street and unloading some of their equipment and gear. Let's keep filming. We got the old water heater out, and our plumber uses PWO in Southern California. They are plumber wholesale outlet, and they actually take the old water heater and deliver a new one. Let's head back inside and keep working. I never thought I would be so excited for a new water heater. It is now finally up to code, touching the wall, fastened into studs. We have a new shutoff valve, thermal expansion tank, and a gas drip over there. Video number 162 done.